Hey guys, welcome to the Sunshine Outlet Mall and Sunshine Palace Cineplex. That's what we're taking a look at today. They're literally right next to the Sovereign Village. So this is Portmore St. Catherine, Portmore Pines. We have Sovereign Village on this side. And then on this side we have the Sunshine Shopping Mall. Relatively new. Probably about 6 months they're open. And they have a cinema inside, Palace Cineplex. Alright, so take a walk with me. Again, if you're new, remember to subscribe. Remember to like and share the video as well so that more persons can see, and definitely leave your comments in terms of what you think about this shopping mall. Alright, so we're gonna take a walk inside the mall, see what they have to offer. So we still have some shops being worked on. So this is the Sunshine Palace. Alright, so this is the other side. Alright guys, this is where I end the video. Remember to leave your comments. Remember to share the video so that more persons can see. We're on that road to 10,000 subscribers. And definitely like the video as well. So this is the Sunshine Shopping Mall, Portmore Pines. Let me know what you think about this new mall. It's adjacent to the Sovereign Village.